Hello my friends, it's Alisa here and welcome back. Today I would love to share with you my quick and easy hairstyle, my half French twist and super elegant updo. I always prep my hair by curling it first, but it doesn't matter if you don't. So let's not be afraid to try it out, and I'd love to see your work, so let's begin. I love parting my hair sideways and leave my fringe out so I can work on it later. Now I'm going to make it like a ponytail by taking some of the hair just above the ear level. Make sure it's nice and smooth and tie it up with elastic. Hold the ponytail firmly and slowly twisting, and at the same time push it back upward like so. Now we're going to secure it with bobby pin, lots of bobby pins, and make sure we hide them well. Touch up with a little bit of hairspray to make it nice and smooth. And that's the finished look, very easy and yet so beautiful and elegant. It's so good for people like me who love puffy hair without teasing it. Now I'm going to create another low ponytail. After that, I bring it up and secure it with bobby pin like so. Using your hand, your fingers to tease it and make it a little volumized. Take some part of the remaining hair, twist and pull, and then secure it with bobby pins, and let's just have fun with it. Nice evening dress would suit this hairstyle so well, so ladylike. Hope you guys like my style and don't forget to try it. Like and share if you love this. So see you next time. Bye!